This is a great product that I found recently, and I thought I'd take this opportunity to share it with you. It's called Releave Natural-Based Hand Cleaner, and it's the best I've ever used. My friend Martin Shaw and I are clearing out my old workshop, ready to move to a new one. And as Martin is a builder, generally speaking his hands are never clean anyway, so I thought I would introduce him to this most wondrous stuff that I use. It's called Releave, and it's for getting your hands really clean, surprisingly clean. Will it work on Martin's hands? Well, just keep watching. Over the years I've tried and used most of the available hand cleaners, and none of them come close to this stuff. You don't need much. Martin's using far too much. He just dipped his whole hand into the pot. And now what he's doing is rubbing it into his hands. No water yet, this is dry. The stuff is on his hands. And to illustrate this, here are my hands with a lot less on than Martin's using. So like most hand cleansers of this type, it has an abrasive. It may be pine cellulose. That's what it says on the tub anyway. This stuff is eco-friendly. It doesn't contain plastic particles. It also contains glycerin, so your hands come out feeling quite moisturised, quite unlike the effect I would normally get by using washing up liquid. And after a while Martin's hands look like this. Oh dear, it's removed his tattoos as well. And his hands have got physically smaller, they've shrunk. Well, no, actually, these are the hands of my daughter Charlotte. We thought we would put them into the video just for the entertainment value. Martin's hands haven't shrunk and his tattoos are intact. And look how clean his hands are. I've known Martin for many years and I've never known his hands to be this clean. The website address has been on screen for a while, and I would recommend to every one of my viewers who have dirty hands to get some of this stuff. It really is top class. I'd like to mention that this is not a sponsored advert. I have nothing to do with the company and I didn't get paid for making the video about this stuff. It's just so good I wanted to tell everybody about it, and it doesn't leave any smell on your hands at all after you've used it, quite unlike some other hand cleansers. Don't take my word for it, go on the website and buy yourself a tub. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching and I hope you found it useful. Please take the time to visit my Mainsteam Models website. Click on the section of the website that says Video Playlists. And by doing that, you will find it very easy to find other videos that you may like to watch.